I tell you, the moment the children enter the school, parents generally come for workshops. Nursery, KG and all. This is the time when you can help the parents how to manage student behavior, how to deal with a child in the formative years, how to help him control impulses, how to inculcate discipline in the earlier stages of development, how to say no, what is the need for consistency between both the parents. All such topics should be covered in the earlier stages of development. When the children reach about class 4th, 5th, etc., it could direct towards academics a little bit. What is the role of parents in academics? What is the role of parents? I will very strongly suggest parents should not teach children. Teaching is your teacher's responsibility. Parents' role should be limited to... yes, ma'am? Parents should be there to give a structure. Structure, following up, a little monitoring and supervision, not teaching exactly. This is one. So, and also not injecting competition at this level itself. Come first in the class, and all those nonsense should not be injected to the children at this stage, or rather parents should be encouraging children to compete with themselves. You understand that concept? One is competing with your neighbor, one is competing with yourself. You have performed here, next time perform here. And also please understand, the children in Bangalore are not going to compete with children in Bangalore. They will compete with in Kerala or Philadelphia or in some other countries. So the child who is capable of competing his past performance and improving it will be able to compete with everybody. And please prevent parents from sending these children on the stage shows and Nach Baliye and Idea Singer and all those nonsenses, because it will be dangerous for them, not only not helpful. And also not celebrating success too much. If you start celebrating success too much, the child will not be able to ever take a failure and be resilient and come up. These topics you should be discussing in the age group of about class 4th, 5th. This is just a few tips. When the child comes to the adolescence, the topic of sexuality thoroughly. It is not about birds and bees. It is not about how the sperm will run and impregnate. They will teach that to you. They are not interested. At this stage, value clarifications. Value clarification. Why do you say what should not be done now or then? This sort of value clarification. It is not a gynecologist who should be coming and conducting a sexuality education workshop. It should be either a specialist or you train yourself. Then it should be more about what we call value clarifications. It's more about life skills, how to be assertive and say no when she is not wanting a particular thing, kind of a workshops and training programs. Then go up in class 9th, 10th, etc. It should be about not leaving their dreams to the children, but letting them want to do in life, workshops of those types. At least I minimum recommend 5 to 6 times a specialist or you yourself, must be conducting, or your school counselor if she is a trained counselor. Let me repeat, trained counselor, then that is very good. Then things may become slightly better. A school should be a place for training not only children but parents too. Otherwise your work will not be having any use.